how to lose skinny fat belly. By the end of the video, you will know about effective strategies to lose that skinny fat belly and achieve a leaner, more toned physique. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into a common concern: how to tackle that stubborn skinny fat belly. It's a challenge many of us face, but with the right approach, we can make significant progress. First off, it's important to understand that losing skinny fat isn't just about losing weight. It's about building lean muscle mass while reducing body fat percentage. This dual approach ensures that you not only shrink your belly, but also achieve a more defined and healthier body composition. One key strategy is to incorporate strength training into your routine. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These movements engage multiple muscle groups, helping to boost metabolism and burn calories effectively. Nutrition plays a crucial role as well. Aim to eat a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods, as they can contribute to belly fat storage. Consistency is key. Establish a workout schedule that includes both resistance training and cardiovascular exercises like running or swimming. This combination will help you burn fat while preserving and building muscle. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. 1 second lesson: maximize gains with Dimetize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. In conclusion, losing a skinny fat belly requires a holistic approach involving strength training, balanced nutrition, and consistency. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving a leaner and more toned physique. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on health and fitness.